Naval Architect. Who is a naval architect? Naval architecture includes designing, planning, constructing, and maintaining all structures made and used on the seas. This includes work at the coast, ports, dockyards, oil platforms, loading mechanism, etc. The naval architect designs and supervises the construction of such structures. All vessels afloat in the ocean are constructed at the shipbuilding industry. Naval architects design these vessels and constantly research to make innovations and improvements. A naval architect is a professional engineer who is responsible for the design, construction, repair of ships, boats, and other marine vessels and offshore structures, both commercial and military, including merchant ships, oil gas tankers, cargo ships, bulk carriers, container ships, passenger vehicle ferries, cruise ships, warships, aircraft carriers, amphibious ships, submarines, underwater vehicles, icebreakers, offshore drilling platforms, semi-submersibles, speedcraft, hovercraft, multi-hull ships, hydrofoil craft, workboats, fishing boats, anchor handling tug supply vessels, platform supply vessels, tugboats, pilot vessels, rescue craft, yachts, powerboats, and other recreational craft. Depending on the type of qualification held and personal interests, naval architects may become specialists in one field or develop broad experience in several. Eventually, they find themselves in senior executive positions, usually their knowledge and experience of general management as well as their professional skills in engineering and project leadership. Naval architects have a wide range of employment opportunities worldwide. The main areas are design. Naval architects must have an understanding of many aspects of ship design, function, appearance, and especially important at sea, safety. Activities including using complex mathematical and physical models to ensure that the ship's design is satisfactory technically and that it meets the safety rules and standards. 2. Construction. A naval architect specializing in construction usually holds a management post, taking responsibility for the management of the whole shipyard or for sections of it such as planning, production, or the complex operation of fitting out. 3. Consultancy. Typical activities include providing clients with engineering solutions, technical and commercial guidance, support and project management for concept design studies, new vessel constructions, refits and conversions. 4. Research and development. Naval architects are involved in undertaking maritime research in universities and industry. 5. Regulation, surveying and overseeing. Naval architects employed by classification societies as ship surveyors are engaged worldwide in evaluating the ship and its safety, marine structures, using the society's rules and those of intergovernmental organizations such as the International Maritime Organization. Typical activities include the approving of aspects of design such as strength, stability, and life saving. 6th, marketing and sales. Activities including giving professional advice and technical support to customers of the maritime industry. 7. Operations. Many shipping companies have technical departments in which naval architects are responsible for many phases of ship and equipment procurement and for solving problems affecting the economies of maritime operations. 8. Education and training. There are also opportunities for naval architects with good qualifications to work in universities and colleges as professors and lecturers. Why do we study? What is the end of education? Isn't it careers? But when there are so many careers to choose, how do I choose the right career? How can I make my decision right? My future depends on my decision. Which career is the right choice? Careers are confusing. Should I decide my career based on my potential, my capability, my talent? Or should I focus on what are the opportunities available and work on what are the opportunities in society? How do I choose? Environmental conditions, family conditions, my genes, opportunities. It's also confusing. Careers, a tough choice.